To change the icon size on a Realme GT 8 Pro, first of all, we can go to Settings. Once you open Settings, choose Home Screen, Lock Screen, and Style. Swipe up from the bottom like this to reveal these options and go to Icons. And then in Icons, we have the icon slider in here that can be used to adjust the size of icons. We can also tap on Restore to restore the default size, and of course tap on Apply in order to save these changes. Also, if you go to home screen settings, you can change the home screen layout. For example, if you use the 5 columns option, then you will be able to get smaller icons to, of course, be able to fit more icons in a column. And last but not least, we can also go to, I believe, display and brightness. And over here we have the display size, which also has an effect on icon size. Not only icon size, but also. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.